Welcome to Darwin's Playtime. Today we're unboxing something that Darwin is going to show you.
It's the Hot Wheel track. It's really cool. It has Legos added to it for the supports.
Yeah, let's show him this. Yeah, we already took this off. It's the track builder system. Came from Big Lots. Alright. Ages 6 to 12. Can you see all that? Alright. Have at it.
Okay, so guys, now in unboxing the Hot Wheels track. How do I do this stuff?
Let me see. It's like, oh, we got a little thing holding it down there. We got to cut, probably. Let me get my scissors or a knife.
Okay, don't mind that. Here's this.
Remember to ask an adult for help. Don't use sharp objects on your own. And always cut away from yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, this is what's holding it down. Some rubber bands here. Alright, you can take it from there.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to build the Hot Wheels track. So hope you'll enjoy the video.
Yeah, just show them all the pieces and what comes in there. Show them what comes in the box. You can bring it up close to the camera so they can get a good look. Just think about what you'd like to see if you were watching the video.
See, this is a Hot Wheels track. It's cooler than you might think it is, but it is pretty cool. So yeah, pretty cool of a video. It's gonna be. Dad, could you please help me here?
Yeah. Here's your sour flush. I'll put it in a bowl.
Okay.
Alrighty. Here's sour flush. Alright, what do you got here? See, in this little package.
There's Hot Wheels tracks. This is a Hot Wheels track.
These are some little attachment pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Probably to connect something up. Okay, there you go. You got it. There's 6 of them. What's this, a rubber band?
A rubber band. I already took it off.
That's probably for this thing to fling. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's your Lego pieces. A whole pack of Lego pieces. And some more tracks. And some Kirby tracks. And a track builder's guide instruction. It looks like it has everything on the back. So this might be a good time to pause it, otherwise this video could go on for a really long time of us figuring out what we're doing. What do you think, Darwin?
I don't know.
Here's some instructions that tells you how to do it.
Dad, this
Build 1, build 2.
isn't really wanting to do what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, well, let's look at the instructions. Maybe we're not doing it right. Here's 3 different builds. Build 1. Build 1 is a speed curve. Build 2 is a crazy 180. Build 3 is a blast box. Build 4 is the launch and turn. And here's the instructions for the different builds. Yeah? Alright, so there's 4 different builds they recommend. So...
Oh, Dad, this went fast. Watch.
Oh, you figured out that part of it? Looks like Darwin was just going for his own custom build right off the bat.
Okay, watch.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, here's the 4 different builds. And here's how you build the speed curve. Tells you all the steps. And probably tells you how to do the... Well, looks like you have it mostly right. This little launcher thing just uses a rubber band. I think that you have it upside down though. I don't know if that's going to actually matter or not. It looks like they have it on the picture like this.
Okay, do that then.
Okay. I guess it seems about the same. Seems like it needs a little more oomph. There, it's got some notches on the side. Yeah, okay. I think it's supposed to go like that. That should give us some oomph. What is this thing?
Okay, I'm just building one track.
Alright. There you go.
Okay, here's a Hot Wheels track on the bottom.
Oh, it's got a little ramp thing on the bottom too?
Yeah.
That is cool. Okay, you just let me know if you want to pause it until you get something built or anything like that.
I'm Dad, but come in and stay in the video.
I'll be right here behind it. You do your thing. I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Okay. Coffee.
Pumpkin spice.
Oh, you love spices.
I do. Spice is nice. Spice is nice.
And just
I got my favorite cow cup. Look at that. Check that out. Isn't that fancy? 3 sizes of moo.
What do you mean by free?
Oh, you're doing a nice job there. Okay, I'm going to pause this and we will resume when a little more of it is built and show you it launching off. Okay, unpaused already at Darwin's request. He's going to keep building and showing you guys some cool stuff. So here we go. Looks like Darwin's opened the Legos. You want to show them what Lego pieces come with that?
Yeah.
I could probably bring down this whole stand.
Yeah.
Let's bring down the whole stand.
This is really cool.
Wow. All right, moving camera while the stand is being adjusted. Ah. There. Is that better? I think that's a little better. Now, we can get a little closer. A little closer to the action. There you go.
I'm trying to rebuild it a little.
All right, let's scoot this back a tiny bit. Okay, I think that's pretty good.
Yep, and I am building. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I am moving the car track. And then I know this doesn't want to. I am trying to build rebuild. And I have these. And I don't know why he brought Legos. Kind of crazy, right? And Legos don't go with a Hot Wheels track. It's kind of crazy. Hey, Dad, come back. Come back.
Talking to the camera a lot?
Yeah.
Good.
So I found out that this goes over here.
Mm-hmm. How did you find that out? Did you look at the directions?
No.
No? No.
I
Find out
just.
the hard way? Trial and error? Okay, let's get a little track going. You hit a bump or something, or your toe. Looks like you pull it back and then you hit this button.
Okay.
I'm sure this is all in the directions. You should read the directions. Or the real boys don't read directions, they just build it on their own. Like IKEA furniture. And what we got here? Yeah, you don't have to read the directions to really understand everything. I don't know what all these pieces are for either without looking. There's 4 different types of tracks they have. Okay, so we're working on putting the speed curve together, the first track, and it's in progress, and we'll pick up again when it's done. All right, and there's the final piece. We got it all together.
But Dad, how will
Just
the
like
car
so.
go all the way up here?
I don't know. You're gonna have to give it a good launch, and we will find out. Yeah, let's see. This is called the speed curve.
Dad, it won't do it.
Doesn't quite make it.
No. this even impossible?
Maybe we gotta do our rubber band spring a little better. Let me take a look at this. Oh, I see. All right, hold on. See, it's what we do is we take this and we loop it back again, so it double powers.
Okay.
And now this should go super fast when you push the button. Stand back and just push the button. Okay, you're not here. I don't know what you're doing, but
I'm trying to get this all the way back there.
that's as far as it goes. See, the button's up and ready. Now you just press the button.
Okay.
Whee!
Okay, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, not bad. Let me get a better angle and you can do it again. Let's try this.
Let's try this. Okay.
Yep, go ahead. That is the speed curve.
Okay, this time doing double trouble.
Double trouble. And the rubber band, we had to double loop. I don't know if you can see that, to make it super strong so it would push them hard enough. All right, it's getting above view. Oh, can't quite push both of them. That's too much weight. Here, you can try this all with all your Hot Wheel cars. All right, now I think we're done. All right, thanks for watching our video. What do you say, Darwin?
Thank you.
We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.
My sour toy.
Bonus content, the sour toilet. We put it in a bowl because it drops sugar. But in the toilet bowl, it has this sugar, and looks like you dip the sucker in there, kind of like one of those dipping sticks, except it's a plunger into the toilet. Candy. All right, that was bonus content. The cows say, keep mooing.
No.